How to send money internationally using Western Union. Western Union is the leader in regards to remittance and international transfers. You can transfer money from almost any country to almost any country. You can simulate in here how they are going to charge you if you want to send money to the United States, to the United Kingdom, to Germany, to India, whatever country you want to send money to. You can also receive money. It's really easy and straightforward. You have to register yourself inside Western Union. It's free. You create the transaction in your computer or using your mobile phone, using the app of Western Union, and then you can go to a Western Union to pay in cash, and that cash is going to be transformed into money, digital money, to send straight away to the other Western Union location. The good thing about Western Union is that it has a lot of branch all around the world, so almost any country has a Western Union office in which the other person can go and receive the money in cash, or you can also send money to a bank account. They have a lot of convenient agent locations. You can register for free, and they have international reach. They have more than 150 million users already, and they manage millions of dollars every year. How you have to do? You create an account. It's really easy to create. You just need your name, your surname, your email, your phone number, and a password, and that's it. In here, you have to define where do you want to send money to, for example, United States. And in here, you are going to see the exchange rate. This is important because you have to understand if that exchange rate is good for you or not. How you can do that? You can search in Google, for example, GBP against US dollar, and Google says that the current exchange rate is 1 to 1.25. So if you compare this against the exchange rate that Western Union gives to you, you are going to see that you are paying a fee inside the exchange rate. Even when they say that they are not charging anything for the transaction, you are paying anyways. How much is the commission? You have to divide 1 point against 1.25. That's the number. You subtract against 1. And this is the commission that you are paying for using Western Union, 2.2%. It's high, but it's not too high. We are going to explain another alternative that you can use to save more money that we explained already in the channel, that is called Wise. If you want to save money in transactions around the world, Wise normally has a better exchange rate that Western Union offers. Going on with the example, after you check the exchange rate, and if you agree with that, you can decide the amount of money that you want to send. This is the amount of money that the other person is going to receive in the United States. And you have to decide if you want to send using a credit or debit card or a bank transfer. This could vary based on the country that you are based in, and also based on the country that you are sending money to. These options. This is the case for United States and United Kingdom. And the other alternative is to receive in cash. So if the other person wants the cash, wants to go to a Western Union branch and receive the money in cash, you can select cash, and here is a pop-up message that appears to you that says how you have to do it. You have to lock the exchange rate and fee using the website. So first you use the website or your app in your phone to define the transaction. Then you have 24 hours to go to a Western Union location and pay with the cash. You have to have with you your passport or your identification and the cash to complete the transaction, and that's it. The other person is going to receive the money straight away, just in seconds, so the other person can go to the Western Union location, and with the code that you send to him or her, this is a private code, with that private code and with the identification, the passport or the ID, the other person can go to the Western Union location, present the passport, say that you have that transaction with that number that you send to him or her, and with that number can receive the cash in the Western Union location. You have to take in mind that if you use paying in store alternative, you are going to pay a fee of 9.9 GBP. It's quite high, the fee, as you can see, in comparison with paying online. So if you want to save money, paying online is a better alternative because you are going to waste less amount of money in commissions. If you want to go on with a bank transfer transaction, you have to complete all the details of the person that is going to receive the money. For example, the name, the surname, the address, the city, the state, the zip code, the email, the phone number. All this information is if you want to send money to the other person in cash. But if you want to send money to a bank account of the other person, you also have to complete all this one. Bank name, account number, routing number, and also the purpose of the transaction and the source of funds. Why you are sending the money and where that money comes from. That's it. You continue. And if you agree with all the commissions and all the exchange rate, you can complete the transaction. If you select cash, you have to go to the Western Union branch and deposit the cash. And if you select to send money using your bank account or a debit credit card, you have to complete the transaction in your bank or introducing your debit or credit details. This is the end of the video. Remember to subscribe, to leave a comment if you have any question. And if you want to save money in fees and commissions, you can use Wise, another fintech that in my opinion is better than Western Union that we explained in the past. If you use the link that I leave in the description, you are going to help the channel to keep going, and you are going to save a lot of money in comparison with traditional remittance companies as Western Union.